Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to password protect a PDF in Adobe Reader. This is my PDF file and now I'm going to protect this with password. First click on Tools, Protect. Click on Protect using password. You can protect for viewing or editing. I'm selecting viewing. Give here password. Retype password here. Click here and select Encrypt with password. Click on Apply. Yes. Check this and type here password. Now click on OK. Now save this PDF and cross this. And now if I try to reopen this PDF, then here we can see it's asking for password to open this. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you.